Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with CarWash College. Today I want to review how to refill the air fluid reservoir on your OMNI Blasters. Before we start, make sure you get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com and review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses, 1/4-inch Allen wrench, 7/8" wrench, a squeeze bottle, a rag, and an oil pan. Now, let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to service our air over oil reservoirs. We recommend that you change the oil or the antifreeze in your air over oil reservoirs on an annual basis, or unless it gets contaminated throughout the course of the year. First thing you want to do is remove this drain plug and have some type of pan to catch the existing oil in, and try to keep it as neat as possible, which isn't always easy. But we're going to drain the existing oil out. We're going to remove or replace the plug at the bottom, and then we're going to come up here and we're going to take this plug out of the top. We'll have a 12-ounce squeeze bottle already prepared. We'll add the new oil into the reservoir, and then we'll place our plug back in the top, and we'll be all set to go for another year. And there you have it. When it comes time to service your air over oil reservoirs, do it on an annual basis unless it gets contaminated. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent wash experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.